Alright, Black Bart. Now you get yours. Hello, welcome to Adventures with George and Corey Roberts in Your House YouTube channels. Just wanted to let you know we have partnered this year with the Christmas Story House in Cleveland, Ohio. They have sent us a carbine action Red Ryder BB gun just like Ralphie had in the movie. And we're going to be giving this thing away to some lucky winner on December 24th. But to be eligible to win, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channels, comment on this video that you're watching right now, like the video, and share it on your Facebook page so others can see this contest and enter as well. So as long as you do those 4 things, you'll be eligible to win. You'll get 2 entries if you do it on both channels. Like I said, Adventures with George, the channel you're on right now watching the video, or you may be on Corey Roberts in Your House channel. Either way, there's 2 channels. Go to both channels, subscribe to both channels. You only have to share the video once. You don't have to share it twice. But you do have to comment on the video on both channels, and you do have to like the video on both channels. But that's it. To be eligible to win a Red Ryder BB gun, just like Ralphie had in the Christmas Story movie, just do those steps and you'll be entered to win, and we'll announce it on December 24th. Thank you for tuning in. Oh, and I also wanted to mention that the Christmas Story House is not only the Christmas Story House, but it's also a tour. You can take a tour through it. It looks just like the Christmas Story House did in the movie now, where they've remodeled it, but you can also rent the house for the night if you go to the ChristmasStoryHouse.com, and then the Bumpkin House next door is also rentable as well. They got a gift shop across the street that you can also buy these guns at if you want to buy one if you don't win. But hopefully, if you enter, you'll be the lucky winner of the gun. Anyway, like I say, just check out the website, thechristmasstoryhouse.com, and finish watching the rest of this video.
Thank you.